if something's wrong with the battery, here's where it's gonna go wrong. Remove the screws. Are you kidding me? What is up, guys? Today we're gonna change the battery on my iPhone 10. About 2 weeks ago, I took the case off my phone and I noticed that my screen was not flat. It was protruding from the outside edge. And so I pushed it back in and I noticed it just popped back out again. And I looked it up online and I figured out that my battery is swollen inside. If you look at my case is straight, but you can look and you can see that the screen pops up right there, and then you can see it's down further on this side. You can see it's bowed in the middle. Let's see if I can get a better look at it right here. Can you see that? Yes. So, I've got the Ifixit battery replacement pack. I've got safety glasses. They say whenever you change a lithium-ion battery, especially one that has exploded, that you wear safety glasses. And I've got a couple pair of different pliers, and I've got a cheapo knife that I'm going to use to pry. This is what came in it. Repair tools. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, that's pretty nice. So pretty much comes with the screwdriver, pry tool, pick, the pentalobe, suction cup, everything that you would need to do the repair comes in this kit. This is not a how-to video of how to do this. This is my experience on doing this. I am going to follow directions off of Ifixit.com. They're step-by-step pictured directions. If you want to do this, you need to do the same. Here are the new gaskets and the pry pick. I think that's the charging port gasket. Here is the waterproof gasket, and here is going to be the battery. That is the battery. First thing I need to do, turn it off. Remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone. It says I need to use a hairdryer to prepare to open the phone. Like the back cover of a book. So in the Ifixit directions, it colors some of the screws different colors because they're different lengths. I'm just going to take a Sharpie and put a dot on those screw colors so I know exactly which one's which. So I can tell just by looking at this that the battery is swollen very, very much. And I know exactly that is why the screen bulged. So, good thing I'm doing this. What is?
It's huge.
Got it. Got the display off.
Can I see it?
Be careful not to touch the 3 rows of grounding pads near the bottom of the phone. Yeah, I think I've already touched those like 8 times. Remove the screws. Are you kidding me? Now I need a... Give me a couple. You got that. Speaker is removed. So here's the part that I'm worried about because this is a swollen battery. This is the part that if something's wrong with the battery, here's where it's going to go wrong. I'm not going to be a dummy. I'm going to wear these glasses. No luck there. Oh. Okay, there's 2. Oh. Okay. I did it. I'm gonna immediately take this. Look how big that is. I'm gonna immediately take that outside. Ooh. Okay. I can take my glasses off. I'm officially got the battery out. Conclusion. Okay, now just do the steps in reverse. Okay. New battery. Taptic engine. That is next. Take engine in. Okay, got that. I'm sure thankful this screwdriver is magnetic, because if it wasn't magnetic, there'd be no way I'd be holding on to any of these screws. Time to put the display back on. I think I need to put that gasket on though first. Let's see what this looks like. Ew. I'm just gonna say, please. I need you to hold this a little bit. Pick that over here. The gasket's in. I understand why robots probably do this. That is not fun to do. So do the little. Before I put the display back on, before I put that seal on, I'm going to turn the phone on. Boom, boom. I can feel the Taptic engine working. I can feel everything working. So I'm going to put the display back on and let's be done. Boom. Before my battery health said like 84% or something like that, back to 100%. The screen is perfectly flat, brand new battery in my phone. Fantastic, I did it. I do recommend this kit from Ifixit. Came with the battery and all the parts, the gaskets, and it even came with the tools. If you want to purchase it, I'll leave a link either Amazon or on the Ifixit page if you would like to buy it. That actually worked really, really well. I'm very pleased. It wasn't too bad. You can do this. If I can do this, you can definitely do this. If you found this valuable and you want to see more videos like this, please hit subscribe.